Hi guys, hope all of you are fine. Today we are discussing chapter 10 about acids, bases and salt. Today we are discussing about acids and bases, their properties, their example, definitions, from where they derive. So we are starting acids. Basically the word acid is derived from a Latin word acidus means sour. Word acid is derived from Latin word acidus. The word is acidus, means sour. Those which have sour taste are called acids. So, which one is the first acid we basically found is the acetic acid. Acid is the first one. Known to man. So, this is the basic definition and the background of acids. After this, we are discussing the properties of acids. So, properties of acids we are discussing. Here I am mentioned they have sour taste. First one is they have sour taste. Second one, effect of litmus. We are studying about litmus in chemistry already. So they turn blue litmus to red. They turn blue litmus to red. After this, the corrosive behavior. Acids have corrosive in its concentrated form. So when they are in concentrated form, they are corrosive. When present in concentrated, ठोस, hard. Concentrated mean hard form. So for the ability of conduction, as they are insulators or conductors, we are discuss another properties about conduction. So aqueous solution of an acid conduct electric current. So they are the good conductor of electricity. Aqueous solutions of an acid is able to conduct electricity. Or electric current. So these are the basic properties of acids. After this we are discussing about the examples of acid present in our daily life. So examples are here. HCl, hydrochloric acid, as you recognize this easily in chemistry. Lemon juice, very important. These are the very famous examples of an acid. Oranges or citrus fruits, unrip. That's the thing. So I hope all of you easily understand the concept of acids. Another term you are able to understand in this chapter are the bases. So acid and bases and salts. These are the three terms to recognize the inorganic and organic compounds in chemistry. So here we are discussing acids. In next lecture we are discussing about bases. There is an important point we are discussed now. When acids and bases are react, what happens? As we are talking about, if we have one acid and one base, we react both them together. So what we are found? We found salt and water and salt in product. So this is all about acids, and about bases we are discuss in next lecture. So thank you so much.